Hi y'all, this is welcome to the United Church of Dog. I'm your pastor for this morning, Pastor D, and I'm here to tell you that all have committed mistakes and fallen short of the glory of dog. Okay, and on the penalty for your mistaken, you're going through the world doing those mistaken things, is kibble. That's right, all of you are guilty of mistaken, and you deserve kibble. But dog sent herself down to this earth to eat this kibble for you so you can live your life kibble free. So all you have to do to live kibble free is to believe in this dog. Believe in dog and you will live kibble free, and you can go your entire life without having any kibbling going on whatsoever. So yes, dog in her mercy has come here for you so you don't have to have this. See? So, yeah, you just gotta accept. All you have to do is accept dog into your heart. Do a little accepting. Do a little praying to dog, and no more of this. No more kibbling for you. No more having to have the sacrifice of having to have kibble, eating kibble. No more of that. This one wipes it clean, wipes the kibbling clean for you. So, anyway, that's about it. We have real short services here at the United Church of Dog. Thank you for coming. Go out and have a nice barbecue. It's a sunny day, and have a nice juicy steak instead of one of these hard, crunchy kibbles. Hallelujah. Bye.